This Taikun tip could save you time and money while trading. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Taikuns? Welcome to Taikun Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, quick tip, if you trade indices or indexes, and we're talking like SPX or SPY or the SP 500 or QQQ or DIA, the Dow Jones, or if you do futures, which, is ES or NQ or, YM, which is the Dow Jones, you could just make a watch list, and it's just as simple as that. I know a lot of people make it complicated, but if you don't want to look at the heat map over here and have to look at which sectors are green and which sectors are red and do all of that, or go on other websites that might show you a market watch or a heat map, all you can do is over here I have an S&P 500 watch list, and I have the top 10 stocks, the top 10 weighted stocks in the S&P 500. Okay, and then I have the net change right here, and I have the high low right here. So that basically shows me the money that's flowing in and out of each of those stocks. Okay, so all I have to do is look over here. Instead of going way over here, saving myself time and looking at each sector, I can look right here and see exactly what's going on. All right. So S&P 500, I also have one for like the NASDAQ. Boom. I can see what's going on with the NASDAQ. If I see that only 3 stocks or 4 stocks are red, but the rest are green, and even one of the red ones are like less than $1 away from being green, then I know, okay, the NASDAQ is bullish. It's just battling a little bit of bearishness between these 2 stocks, but majority of the time, or the majority of the stocks that are top weighted is bullish. So it kind of gives you a brief sentiment and an insight into how that stock is looking. Okay, so when we look at S&P 500, you'll see majority of those were green. All right, the only ones that were red were pretty much the same 4 that were red in the NASDAQ. All right, so that is what we're looking at. It gives you a great insight into if the stock is going to be bullish or not. And as you can see, we went bullish for that day. Same thing happened on this day. Okay, so that is something that you can just briefly look over and see the high lows, see what the net change is. Okay, green, green, green. Oh, well, we have 4 stocks that are really bearish. One is trying to turn green. The sentiment is still, money flowing into that one. All right, cool. Now I know the upside is possibly where we're going to go. Okay, so that's something that you can quickly look at and put on your watch list. Quick Taikun tip for, saving yourself time and money. All right. Make sure you join our free newsletter, the Taikun Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.